Today, we're diving into the future of car tech with the top 20 trending car gadgets for 2025. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your ride, these gadgets are must-haves. From smart lighting to innovative organizers, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, the Govee Car LED lights. These aren't just any lights, they're a game-changer for your car's interior. With 16 million colors to choose from, you can customize your car's vibe to match your mood. Control everything via the Govee app, and even sync the lights to your music for an immersive experience. Imagine cruising at night with your favorite playlist, and the lights pulsating to the beat. It's like having a mini light show in your car. Plus, the installation is super easy. No tools required. Just plug and play. Whether you're heading to a party or just want to make your daily commute more fun, the Govee Car LED lights are a must-have. Next, we have the Macaulay Cup Holder Tray. This is one of those simple yet genius gadgets that you didn't know you needed. It transforms your car's cup holder into a mini dining table. Whether you're grabbing breakfast on the go or enjoying a quick snack during a road trip, this tray has you covered. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and fits most standard cup holders. No more balancing your food on your lap or spilling drinks while driving. It's perfect for busy parents, commuters, or anyone who loves to multitask. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Tired of loose change rolling around your car? The coin capsule holder is here to save the day. This compact organizer keeps your coins neatly stored and within reach. Whether you're paying for parking, tolls, or a quick car wash, you'll always have the exact change ready. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your car's console or cup holder, so it doesn't take up much space. Plus, it's made from durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to digging through your glove box for loose coins. This gadget keeps everything organized and hassle-free. Love fries on the go? The ketchup packet holder is here to make your life easier. This simple yet clever gadget keeps your condiments handy and mess-free. No more searching for ketchup packets in your bag or dealing with spills. Just slide the packets into the holder, and you're good to go. It's perfect for road trips, fast food runs, or even picnics. The compact design fits easily in your car's cup holder or glove box. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in your on-the-go dining experience. Beat the heat with the retractable windshield cover. This easy-to-use sunshade protects your car from harsh sunlight and keeps it cool inside. Unlike traditional sunshades that are bulky and hard to store, this one retracts into a compact case for easy storage. Simply pull it out, attach it to your windshield, and you're done. It's perfect for hot summer days when your car feels like an oven. Plus, it helps protect your dashboard from UV damage, extending the life of your car's interior. Whether you're parked at work or running errands, this sunshade is a must-have for any driver. Safety first. The Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge ensures your tires are always at the right pressure. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safe driving, better fuel efficiency, and longer tire life. This digital gauge is accurate, easy to read, and fits in your glove box for quick access. Just attach it to your tire valve, and it instantly displays the pressure. It's a must-have for every driver, whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast. Don't wait for a flat tire to check your pressure. Stay proactive with the Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge. Keep your car clean with the stainless steel car trash can. This durable and stylish trash can is perfect for road trips or daily commutes. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it's built to last. The compact design fits perfectly in your car's cup holder or door pocket. Plus, it's easy to clean and odor-resistant. No more empty water bottles or snack wrappers cluttering your car. With this trash can, you'll always have a place to toss your trash and keep your car looking spotless. Need a workspace on the go? The steering wheel desk turns your car into a mobile office. This portable desk attaches securely to your steering wheel, providing a stable surface for your laptop, tablet, or even a meal. It's perfect for lunch breaks, remote work, or studying on the go. The adjustable design fits most steering wheels, and it's easy to install and remove. Whether you're catching up on emails or enjoying a quick bite, this desk makes it easy to multitask in your car. Say goodbye to lost items with the universal car seat gap filler. This handy gadget keeps your phone, keys, and snacks from slipping into the abyss between your car seats. It's easy to install and fits most cars. Plus, it doubles as a storage pocket for small items like pens, coins, or charging cables. No more digging around for lost items. This gap filler keeps everything within reach and your car looking tidy. Big cups? No problem. The car cup holder expander fits oversized bottles and cups, so you never have to compromise on hydration. It's adjustable, easy to install, and works with most cup holders. Whether you're carrying a large water bottle, a travel mug, or a smoothie, this expander keeps it secure and within reach. It's a simple solution for a common problem, and it's a must-have for anyone who loves their drinks on the go. Keep your car spotless with the Sacker Mini Vacuum Cleaner. This compact and powerful vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups. It's lightweight, easy to use, and comes with multiple attachments for cleaning seats, floors, and tight spaces. Whether you're dealing with crumbs, pet hair, or dirt, this vacuum makes it easy to keep your car looking fresh. It's a must-have for anyone who values a clean and tidy car. Upgrade your trash game with the car trash can with lid. This trash can keeps odors contained and your car smelling fresh. It's compact, easy to clean, and fits perfectly in your car. The lid prevents spills and keeps trash out of sight. Whether you're on a road trip or just running errands, this trash can is a must-have for keeping your car clean and organized. Be prepared for anything with the Luxon Toolkit. This essential set has everything you need for quick car repairs or emergencies. From screwdrivers to pliers, this kit is compact, durable, and easy to store. Whether you're changing a tire or fixing a loose screw, this toolkit has you covered. It's a must-have for every driver, especially if you're a DIY enthusiast or love road trips. See what's hiding under your car with the inspection camera. This handy gadget lets you inspect hard-to-reach areas like under the hood or beneath the car. It's perfect for checking for leaks, damage, or lost items. The camera is compact, easy to use, and connects to your phone for a clear view. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your car in top shape, this inspection camera is a must-have. Stay connected with the wireless car charger mount. This mount holds your phone securely and charges it wirelessly. No more tangled cables. It's easy to install and fits most phones. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, or taking calls, this mount keeps your phone charged and within reach. It's a must-have for anyone who relies on their phone while driving. Get crystal clear views with the Everlast Window Cleaner. This tool makes it quick and easy to clean your car's windows. It's efficient, reusable, and perfect for removing streaks and smudges. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or just want a clear view, this window cleaner is a must-have. Say goodbye to dust with the Car Dust Cleaning Gel. This fun and effective gel cleans tight spaces like air vents, cup holders, and dashboard crevices. It's reusable, easy to use, and perfect for keeping your car's interior spotless. It's a must-have for anyone who loves a clean and dust-free car. Stay organized with the Jatsa Car Seat Organizer. This seatback organizer keeps your essentials within reach. It's perfect for families, road trips, or just keeping your car tidy. With multiple pockets and compartments, you can store snacks, toys, gadgets, and more. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car organized and clutter-free. Need a hands-free solution? The Ontel Cup Call phone mount fits into your cup holder and keeps your phone secure and visible. It's perfect for navigation, streaming, or taking calls. The adjustable design fits most phones and cup holders. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a safe and convenient way to use their phone while driving. Finally, freshen up your car with the smoke vent clip air freshener. This air freshener clips onto your AC vent and releases a long-lasting scent. It's compact, easy to use, and keeps your car smelling amazing. Whether you're dealing with food smells or just want a fresh scent, this air freshener is a must-have. And there you have it, 20 trending car gadgets for 2025 that'll take your driving experience to the next level. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.